Hello investors. In today's video I want to talk about NVIDIA. Everyone knows this company. This is a great innovative company, and we will evaluate whether it is worth to invest in this company at the current price. You can go to the homepage of NVIDIA and you can find all the information needed to learn about the company. I downloaded the investor presentation about Q4. This contains a lot of interesting data, and I will go through on the summary of this presentation. After that, we will take a look on the share price and the valuation of the company, and also we can see the financial numbers. Furthermore, I wanted to show you how did I find NVIDIA. Of course, it's not difficult to find this great company because everyone knows about this company. But usually I do a screening. I am looking for great companies with a gross margin above 50%, operating margin above 25%, and net profit above 10%, and also sales growth over 15 or 10% as I adjust this screening. And also don't want companies with a lot of debt, and this way NVIDIA showed up among the great companies. So let's dig deeper in the presentation of NVIDIA about its Q4 report. I made a summary about this report. I highlighted the major slides I want to discuss about this company. So as everyone knows about this company is founded by Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Priem. The IPO was on Nasdaq at $12 stock price, which is a great price. I wish I bought this stock at that time, but I didn't. I just played with the video games of NVIDIA and used the graphic card of NVIDIA. So a lot of history about the company. So it's continuously growing, and now it's focusing on AI and autonomous driving. You can see the revenue is growing, and I expect it will grow in the future. The main segment is gaming, data center, virtual reality, augmented reality, auto, and OEM IPs. So a lot of recognitions of the company. So everyone knows this company. This is an excellent company with great products. So the main growth segment is gaming, artificial intelligence, augmented reality and virtual reality, and self-driving cars. Computing for the age of AI, so the gaming and the high performance computer, the hyperscale artificial intelligence, the enterprise AI, and the edge AI in the automotive industry, and the total addressable market numbers. And you can see the computed annual growth rate is for the 5 years it's 20%, which is a great achievement from the company. So about the segments, so a strong market position and long-term unit and ASP growth, and this is in gaming. So the component annual growth is 22% in gaming, and data centers is 82. This is tremendous growth potential or growth in the data centers. And professional visualization, which is VR and AR, the growth was 7%, but I expect the growth will come later. And automotive, it's 11%. World leader in accelerated computing, the 4 major platform and the key brands. So gaming It's GeForce GPU for PC gamers. I used a lot in the past, so as I said, I wish I had invested in this company at that time when I was a small kid and I played with this game. So data centers, products and professional visualization, which is virtual reality and augmented reality. And the new thing is the auto, or not the new one, but it's growing because automotive it's digitalizing and getting more autonomous. So NVIDIA is also present in automotive field. So you can see the gaming, the growth was 22% with lot of new things. Data centers with lot of cooperation with Alibaba Cloud, AWS, Azure, Baidu, Google, Oracle, Tencent, IBM. So all the major players are here. And the growth is tremendous in the data center, so 82% compound annual growth rate. Amazing. So professional visualization, also a lot of applications. Revenue is only 7% growth rate currently, but I think this area also will boom. Automotive, infotainment and automotive will have 11% compound annual growth rate. I expect more from the automotive industry in the upcoming future. So strong partnership with major automotive car makers and suppliers. So Toyota, Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, Continental, ZF, Didi, Xpeng. And also I don't know what car is that, it's a truck business, maybe Scania or something like that. So large and diverse customer base in gaming, also in cloud and pro visualization, and also the auto industry. So no customer larger than 11% of the total revenues in any of the past 3 fiscal year. It means the company is not dependent to any of the customer, which is a pretty good sign from my perspective. Let's take a close look on the valuation of NVIDIA. So the current stock price is $560 US, and it has a forward yield 0.11%. So very little dividend what the company provides, and the consensus forward P is 40, price per sales 21. So we can say the growth is highly included in the share price. We can see the key ratios. So if you go back, put key ratios and full key ratios data, and you can see the revenue is significantly growing year by year. Gross margin is above 60%, which is excellent. Operating margin is 27% currently, and has a great earning. So current earning is $6.90 US, what I will use for my valuation. So if we go to the valuation, go to the last one, because I did NVIDIA as the last one. So I did the valuation today. The share price is 560. The earning is, as I mentioned you, 6.9 that I took from the Morningstar report, and the 5-year growth rate 20%, and the 10 years 5 to 10 years growth rate is also 20%, and my expected return is 10%, or let's say the discount rate, and the terminal multiple 40. With this optimistic view, the share price can be 773, which can happen in the future. And if we are a little bit more pessimistic, if we just grow 15% in the next 5 years, and after 20%, but the discount rate or the expected return is still 10%, and the terminal multiple is 30, we end up a little bit below the current share price. But if we are very pessimistic, the 5 years growth rate is 13%, and after only 7%, and we expect still 10% return and a terminal multiple at the end 20, then the share price is much lower than the current share price. And if you associate probabilities for each value, 40% for the best case, 30% the normal case, and 30% to the worst case, we end up approximately at the current share price. So the company basically fairly valued, and if the growth really happens in the next 10 years, which is highly probable, then the company's share price can go much higher. But if it doesn't happen, then it can also go much lower. Thank you very much for listening my presentation. I believe NVIDIA is a great company with great future, and it's also a good investment. It's not a bargain. It's fairly priced at the current share price. If it goes lower, of course, it's even a better buying opportunity. It's not a screaming buy, it's just a fair buy. So thank you very much, and I wish you a great day.